Today we're diving deep into a smartphone that's shaking up the entry to mid-range segment, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. Tecno has been slowly but surely building a name for itself, offering solid value and features that you typically find in devices twice the price. But with the Spark 40 Pro Plus, they've raised the bar. From a flagship-like curved AMOLED display to magnetic wireless charging, a brand new Helio G200 chipset, and a body so slim you might just miss it. This is not your average budget phone. So let's break it down. Design, performance, battery, camera, durability, AI, and more to see if it's the game changer it claims to be. Let's begin with what you get in the box. Inside the retail package, you'll find the phone, a powerful 45-watt fast charger, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and then you get a user manual along with a 12 plus 1 month's warranty card, a Qualcomm sticker, and a tempered glass, which is a nice addition, especially since finding one for a curved display phone can be tricky. You also get a flexible white back case that comes with a built-in magnetic coil for wireless charging. The case fits perfectly and complements the phone's design. It actually looks even more beautiful with this case on. But the first thing that grabs your attention isn't the accessories. It's the phone itself. The Spark 40 Pro Plus is incredibly slim, measuring just 6.49 millimeters. When you hold it in your hand, you'll instantly feel how light and premium it is. Compare it side by side with any mainstream smartphone, and of course, the difference is visible. And it's a huge difference. It's almost like holding a smartphone and a slab in each hand. In fact, it's thinner than a stack of 4 bank cards. Slip it into your jeans or shirt pocket and it disappears. This ultra-slim design not only looks futuristic, but also makes the phone incredibly comfortable for all-day use. Despite being feather-light and sleek, this device still brings the power. Let's talk about charging. Tecno has done something bold. The Spark 40 Pro Plus is one of the only curved display smartphones under 20,000 rupees to feature 30-watt magnetic wireless charging, which is a standout feature in this segment. And yes, I almost forgot to mention, you also get a 30-watt wireless charger included with the box, which is a big plus because most brands make you buy it separately. Just snap the charger onto the back and it aligns magnetically. No fiddling, no cables. In our real-world tests, the phone charged up to 50% in under 48 minutes wirelessly, and even faster with the 45-watt fast charger. That's backed by a large 5,200 mAh battery that easily gets you through a full day. Yes, it even supports reverse wireless charging. So if your earbuds, smartwatch, or a friend's phone is dying, this device doubles as a wireless power bank. Tecno really went all in on charging tech here. Now let's address a key concern for ultra-slim phones: durability. You'd expect a phone this thin to be fragile, but Tecno has worked smartly. The Spark 40 Pro Plus is IP64 certified for water and dust resistance, and the front is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, which provides scratch resistance and drop protection. We tested this in everyday conditions: pocket drops, mist sprays, light rain, and even scratch tests with coins and keys. The phone held up remarkably well. Moving on to the display, and this is where the phone absolutely shines. You're getting a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and up to 4,500 nits peak brightness. The content looks fantastic. Deep blacks, vibrant colors, and super fluid animations. Whether you're scrolling Instagram, reading, watching Netflix, or playing games, this display stands out. Even under direct sunlight, everything remains readable and sharp. Plus, it has SGS low blue light certification, so it's gentle on your eyes during long screen hours. Now powering this slim beast is the MediaTek Helio G200, making the Spark 40 Pro Plus the first phone in the world to feature this new 6nm chipset. It clocks over 470,000 points on AnTuTu, which is a decent leap from the previous Helio G100. The performance is fluid. We tested 2 major games, BGMI and Asphalt 9. Starting with Asphalt 9, the gameplay experience was smooth and snappy. No lags, no stutters, everything ran perfectly fine, so there are absolutely no issues in this title. Now moving on to heavier games like BGMI, but before jumping into the gameplay, let's take a look at the graphics settings. By default, you get medium settings, but I've customized them a bit for better visuals. Coming to the actual performance, I won't say it's mind-blowing or competes with flagship-level devices, but for this price range, the performance is honestly impressive. The gameplay is stable, and it delivers a very playable experience. So yes, for the price, this is one of the better options when it comes to gaming. But let me repeat, it's great for its price segment only. Don't compare it with flagship-level gaming phones. That's a completely different category. Connectivity is another area where Tecno has gone the extra mile. With 4.5G support, Super Wi-Fi 2.0, and Freelink technology, the Spark 40 Pro Plus can send files and voice messages to other Tecno devices without using the internet, up to 200 meters away. That's a big deal in places with poor connectivity. On the AI front, Tecno has loaded this phone with genuinely useful tools. There's Circle to Search, where you simply draw a circle on your screen to instantly look something up. You have an AI writing assistant that helps draft captions, emails, or summaries. There's also real-time call translation, AI-based call noise reduction, auto-call answering, and AI photo editing, with object removal and image extension. These are not just gimmicks. They genuinely make your daily phone use smoother and smarter. Coming to the cameras, the Spark 40 Pro Plus features a 50-megapixel main sensor with electronic image stabilization for better video stability. Daytime shots come out sharp with natural colors. Portrait mode has decent edge detection. In low light, the dedicated night mode helps bring out more detail. Video quality is decent for casual use, and thanks to EIS, it doesn't shake much. The sound experience is great too. You get dual stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, which deliver loud, clear, and immersive audio. Talking about the software, it runs on iOS 15.1.1, which is Tecno's official ROM, based on Android 15 right out of the box. The brand promises 2 years of major Android updates and 3 years of security patches, so you don't have to worry about future software support. It's well covered. In terms of security, it offers both Face Unlock and an in-display fingerprint sensor. I tested both features and they worked perfectly. Personally, I prefer the in-display fingerprint scanner. It's accurate, fast, and feels more secure. So finally, should you buy the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus? In short, absolutely. For an expected price of under 16,000 rupees, you're getting premium design, an ultra-slim yet durable body, wireless and reverse wireless charging, a curved AMOLED panel with 144Hz refresh rate, a new powerful chipset, and a suite of AI and productivity features that are genuinely useful. It's stylish, functional, and full of small surprises that add up to a great user experience. If you're looking for a phone that doesn't compromise on features but still fits your budget, this one deserves a serious look. That's all for today's deep dive. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech Cave, and tell us in the comments, is this the best budget phone of the year? I'll see you in the next deep dive.